Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we have a bunch of awesome and aggressive Monster Jam trucks to open up and take a look at. Starting off here with my favorite truck, this one is the Gas Monkey Garage in green. It looks like a muscle car on top of some giant wheels. We've got the Gas Monkey Garage logo on the side with the laughing monkey, Gas Monkey Garage written on the trunk, and of course GMG on the roof. I love the big laughing monkey on the hood, and we also have the Monster Jam and Hot Wheels logos across the side. To finish off this masterpiece of a monster truck, we have some matching green wheels and a blue recrushable car. So now let's open this one up and free the monkey from the zoo. This next one might be even cooler than the Gas Monkey Garage because it's the Ice Cream Man van. The Ice Cream Man is like no other van. This one is sitting on a gigantic set of orange tires that really set it apart from the other monster trucks. We've got a bunch of different flavors to choose from and some ice cream splattered on the side, but that's alright because this truck was built to get dirty. So now let's get the Ice Cream Man out of the package and take a closer look at this sweet treat. Our next Monster Jam is one that's made to get dirty, and it's called the Earthshaker. This one is designed to look like a dump truck, and the Earthshaker definitely looks like it's ready to tear up some mud. It even has all black wheels and black tires that give this truck the monster look. And as a bonus, underneath the front tires, we have a red recrushable car. So let's open this one up and get the shaker out of the box. Here we have a shocking blue X-ray body truck called the Blue Thunder. My favorite part about this truck is the chrome chassis that shines through the blue body that really gives this truck a clean look. On the back of this monster it says feel the energy, which you can definitely feel through the electric blue color. At the hood it also says Blue Thunder, and if we work our way down we also have some shiny big wheels to finish this one off. Now it's time to open up this shocker and take a look at it out of the package. This next monster is an absolute classic. Of course, it's the Gravedigger. Across the side of this one, we have our scary looking skull, and if you look at the top, we have the skull and crossbones that says bad to the bone. It also has the Gravedigger logo on the roof and some green flames to give this model some heat. The glow-in-the-dark green chassis really gives this monster truck the finishing touch. So now it's time that we dig this model out of its grave. Our next Monster Jam comes fresh out of the ocean, and this one is called Crush Station. It's obvious that this one is based on a giant blue lobster, and the claws on the front really give this model an aggressive look. And if we take a look at the top of this one, it says Monster Lobster in a seaweed green font. I'm really liking the blue color of this one, and it even comes with a yellow recrushable car. So now I think it's time that we free the Monster Lobster from its cage. Let's take a look at our next Monster Jam truck, which is the Monster Mutt Junkyard Dog. The Junkyard Dog is one scary looking truck with some crazy looking teeth and a tongue sticking out the front. Unlike the other trucks, this one includes a team flag instead of a recrushable car. And behind the windows we have the dog's ears. Along the side it says Monster Mutt Monster Jam, and on the back it says Monster Mutt Junkyard Dog. Now it's time to free this Monster Mutt from the doghouse. And our final Monster Jam truck for today is called the Avenger. This one features a shiny old school body and has been lit up by some flames. There's even a little bit of skull action on the hood as well. We've got all sorts of sponsors on the side, and if you look on the back here, it says Garner's Towing, and on the roof we have Lucas Oil Products Incorporated. The Avenger also comes with its own team flag that features a flaming skull. So let's crack open the Avenger and take a look at it out of the package. So there we have 8 awesome Monster Jam trucks featuring 6 recrushable cars and 2 team flags. If you would like to see more Monster Jam trucks featured on the channel, be sure to leave me a comment down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.